So yeah, I hooked up a catch can for my XR6 turbo. So I got this, I think it was like 25 bucks from eBay, but I had eBay Plus credit, so it was pretty much free. So what I did, that's the PCV or the breather, I forgot which one. One's the PCV and one's the breather, I forgot which one's which, but this is connected to here. What I did, this bolt was up here, I just blocked it off here. I'm trying to use factory fittings and stuff, so I've cut this hose and clamped onto this, so that feeds the in-hole. This one, what I did, this would be connected to that, which I think goes down to your intake. Just block this off with a is it a door stopper or something like that, chair stopper, clamped it off, ran that hose to the outlet, and then what I've done, I've put the filter on top as a breather, and a little thing with holes in it, I forgot what it's called, in there. I took that out and it seems to work well. One guy was like, oh, you're gonna get vacuum leaks, so I don't think I have had that problem. So it's pretty straightforward to install your wheel catch can. I've just zip tied it to this brake line, although I don't think it's going to be a real permanent place for it. And I need to sort this out because this hose pretty much broken off, and I've just taped it on there, and what's doing, it's leaking a bit. So I'm just gonna have to replace these hoses, and this overflow tank, gonna have to replace that, and these bolts, gonna have to get a new set. Other than that, I think she's good.